Okay, so we'll unbox one Bluetooth earphone. That is, I have purchased it from Amazon. So here's the box of Amazon. Let's keep this aside, and now we have to open this box. Oh, that's too big for the earphone. Okay, no issue. So just let's cut this out. So okay, let me just write. So here is the thing, and good packaging, right? So here they have attached the bill. Okay, so oh just see this one earphone and one big box. That is, I guess so, that is not required for this thing. Whatever, let's keep this aside. And so here is the Oneplus Bullet Wireless Z Base Edition Bluetooth earphone. So this is the color of Reverb Red. So today we will unbox this. Okay, so as we can see, that is the 17 hours battery life, and magnetic controls are there, water and sweat resistance, bass boost also mentioned here, and clear and stable cells also there, charging for 10 minutes, enjoy for 10 hours. So it's great. It's like we can enjoy 10 hour music instead of 10 minutes charging. Okay, so unbox this. So let's find where we have to cut this out. Okay, I guess so that will push it up from there. So, okay, so let's cut this out. Okay, just a minute. This is too good. Okay, let's open this like a, let's keep it aside. So now we are unbox this earphone. Okay, so this is the box. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1, boom. Dun, dun. Oh, that is the thing. Okay, there's a good packaging on Oneplus. Great. So here is the earphone, as you can see. So let's open it. Let's bring it out. Okay. So I have to pull it off. Okay. Okay. And another one. Okay. So here it is. Okay, so this is the Oneplus Bluetooth earphone. It's good looking. Great. So let's see what's inside this small box. I guess that will be the charges or anything. Let's see. So here one manual provided, like how to connect and those things, as yeah, that's all are provided, so we don't need for this time. And there is the rate cable club, this is the one. Okay, another thing is like whenever we purchase this thing, so we can get this welcome gift. This is 100 rupees of gift in Oneplus whenever we have purchased from the Oneplus store, so we can use this 100 rupees from the next purchase through Oneplus site. So okay, keep it. And so this is the type C cable. You can charge this earphone through this cable. And here earbuds provided, that is 2 pair of earbuds are provided. Okay, so that is the thing. So this is the, okay, let's open it. Okay, oh, it should be open. Okay, let's get it. So this is the power on and power off button, and this is the volume up button, volume down button, and this is the charging port. And okay, that's great. So that is all inside the box. I guess nothing there except this. Yeah, nothing are there. Okay, so that's all.